Welcome to the final episode of my SharePoint Advanced Management 2026 series. Throughout the series, we've been breaking down my full conversation with Dave Minasyan, Principal Product Manager at Microsoft, into featured focused parts. In this last one, Dave shares the roadmap, so the SharePoint Admin Agent future, the new agent skills, and Microsoft's longer term vision for governance across Microsoft 365. If you've made it this far, thank you, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Let's take a look at what's coming with Dave.
This is our roadmap that we shared at the MTCF conference. We have quite a few things that we announced and are in different various stages of a rollout. We're going to be building out more and more things for around June, July, August release timeline, and then even more things are coming around the agent. As you can see, the investment into agent is going to just go up exponentially. Just because we are seeing a huge amount of content that is just going to continue get generated with all this agentic capabilities that are coming up to users. Like I personally have about 20 different agents that are doing different things for me, and they're in some cases generating a bunch of content for me. So just imagine that multiplied to all Microsoft employees. So our Microsoft IT is going to be overwhelmed with the amount of content that is going to come in. And they are actually.
They probably already are overwhelmed.
They already are, yeah. So there, you have to have some sort of agentic and kind of automated ways to deal with that, because we are expecting that throughput to increase fairly significantly over the next year or two.
Awesome. And, even with AI, SharePoint admins will be busier than ever. So
yeah, exactly.
exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, everybody's saying AI will take our jobs, but SharePoint admins are okay.
Yeah. I think the definitely governance. Anything in governance is a massive area, and all these tools that we have are designed really to make you more efficient. Just because you are going to be like, the job of an admin becomes exponentially more important, as we talked about earlier. Like you could do kind of content governance was something that you had to do, but it was kind of like, not very high on the priority list, right? Yeah, there were a lot of other things that you had to do above that. Now it's at the in some cases is the highest priority right now. In many cases it is, right? So in other words, the admin job, I'm not seeing it disappearing. It's just going to get a lot more effective and a lot more efficient, so that you have a lot more coverage across the board with these new tools that are coming up.
It's an exciting new world.
Yeah.
We're going to keep busy. I feel like SharePoint admins are keeping busier than ever nowadays, which is a good thing.
Yes. It is definitely a good thing. And it's I think it's just going to be increasingly more and more important to make sure not just to be busy, but to be effective, right? To be a maximum effective, especially with the growing footprint of content that is coming in, for sure.
Awesome. Well, I think we're getting towards the end. I have a question for you. Which one of those features are you most excited about? If you had to pick one baby, I know it's tough.
So I think there are a couple of things that I'm super, super excited about. One, agent is definitely the SharePoint Admin Agent. Right now, I'm fully immersed into making sure that we build the right capabilities, that we prioritize the right things to do. And it just it's such an exciting and sometimes overwhelmingly exciting and like really quickly changing area. It's like everything is changing from model to model that we're evaluating, right? Like the things that some of these models can do are mind-boggling, right? Things that a year ago I would say, oh, that's an impossible task for admins to do, right?
Yeah.
So like now you can actually do that within like a minute,
and not even from PowerShell, from chat.
From chat. Like you don't need to know anything. You just need to know like what you want to do, and then you can just do it. It's just such more. It's like going from a Toyota Corolla to a Ferrari. really quickly
Yeah.
on a speed track, right? So that's kind of where we are, and that's like such a like amazing space to be in, especially when it comes to governance, right? So like it's super super powerful, and there's so many amazing things that we are planning to do or exploring to do in the future. And then the other part is kind of harnessing this new type of content generators that are coming in on board. Specifically, I'm calling out agents, right? It's a kind of a new area, especially with A365 that is going to be coming in. It's just like there's so many like evolutions of these things that are coming up, and they're so coming up so quickly as well, which is also a really super exciting area to be in. So yeah, those are two. If you ask me about everything, like what are my two kind of exciting areas, I would say those two are it for now.
Mine, and you're gonna laugh, but I think mine, for me, the biggest one is that end user changes you're doing about the emails and the one governance
Yep,
site.
yep, yep.
Because again, I love PowerShell. It's a bit like my second language, uh, but have making users actually do the things that I ask them to do requires a good user experience. So I feel like that for me will have the biggest impact personally. But like you
100%.
said, the agent and things like that, it will be a big, big improvement for everyone.
Yeah, so I plus one to you. I think the that governance hub that we're building. By the way, that's not the final name of it. I think by the time it releases, it might have a
Okay.
different name. But it is something that we've been getting asks from customers for the past 2 years, right?
Wow.
Uh, and mind you, Sam has been, alive for about 3 years. So as soon as we launch these kind of user capabilities, right, like where admin is initiating things with the users, we immediately started getting that ask. It's just been a very very long journey. There's a lot involved to get these experiences in such a mature platform like SharePoint out that scales across millions and millions of users, right? So
Yeah.
it's finally coming to fruition. So super, super exciting area for sure. Yes.
And that brings us to the end of the SharePoint Advanced Management 2026 series. A huge thank you to Dave Minasyan and the Microsoft product team for walking us through all of this and sharing where things are headed. If you missed any of the earlier episodes or you want to watch the full conversation, everything in the playlist is linked in the description below. And on the screen right now, you're gonna see more awesome videos that will keep you up to date with Microsoft 365. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.